Hello, girls. This is your Vijaya ma'am, and today we will look at another chapter from your textbook, which is the third level. In this lecture, I have tried to discuss and explain the chapter in a very precise way. I have also provided a short summary of the chapter. But before we discuss the chapter, let us look at the style of the short story which Jack Finney has written. Jack Finney's Third Level is a kind of science fiction short story where the hero of the story travels back in time. He wishes to go back to his past but is unable to find the third level again. By the end of the chapter, Jack Finney leaves his readers to solve the mystery of the existence of the third level. The Grand Central Station of New York has two levels. Charlie talks about the existence of the third level. He claims to have been there physically. So Charlie visits his psychiatrist friend to talk about his problem. Because neither his wife Louisa nor his psychiatrist friend Sam believed the existence of the third level, and also that Charlie had actually been to the third level. They believed that Charlie was suffering from some mental illness. And the psychiatrist calls it a waking dream wish fulfillment, which means an experience that feels like a dream. According to the psychiatrist, Charlie wants to escape from the modern world because it is full of war, worry, anxiety, and insecurity. So, the third level and his hobby of stamp collection are a manifestation of his escape from reality. Manifestation means an act of escape from reality. So, both the existence of the third level and the hobby of stamp collection were Charlie's escape from reality. Then, after this, Charlie describes his accidental escape when he got lost in the Grand Central Station. He begins to describe that day while he was returning home from work and he had decided to take a train from the subway of the Grand Central Station. At the Grand Central Station, after going down to the second level, Charlie loses his way and reaches to what he believes to be the third level. Then Charlie enters a corridor that was slanted towards the left, and it took him to an open area that seemed like an old station, which was different from the first two levels. The station had few ticket counters, few platforms, the enquiry booth was made of wood, and the station was lit by gas lights. So these were the distinct things that he had seen at the third level. The architecture of the third level was very different from the architecture of the first two levels. The architecture of the station reminded Charlie of the 1800s. Even the people present had also been dressed like the 18th century. The newspaper, The World, in the newspaper stand had a different date on it. He noticed that it was dated June 11th, 1894. So Charlie believes then that he has come to the third level. So these incident that happened with Charlie made him believe that he was on the third level. So Charlie goes to the ticket counter to purchase two tickets to Galesburg, Illinois in USA, but realizes that he does not have the old style currency, the currency which was used in the 18th century. So he rushes back to the way he had come. And on the next day, he goes to the bank and withdraws $300. And at the money exchange, he bought $200 of old style money. Then Charlie looks for the third level again, but this time he could not find it. Not being able to find the third level again, Charlie becomes very disappointed because he had really wanted and wished to return to the 18th century Galesburg, Illinois. He wanted to go back to the time when he was young and people enjoyed ordinary and peaceful lives. So Charlie becomes disappointed and goes back to his stamp collection since he cannot find the proof of existence of the third level. Since stamp collection was his temporary refuge, he finds among his old letters an unusual first day cover. What is a first day cover? A first day cover is a new stamp which is issued. The stamp collectors buy some of the new stamp and use them to mail themselves on the very day the stamp was issued. The postmark on the stamp proves the date, and the envelope is called a first day cover. In simple language, it means that a stamp collector purchases the new stamp and mails the empty envelope with the new stamp on it to the post office. In the post office, the envelope gets a postmark which proves the date of the newly issued stamp. That is called a first day cover. But that one particular first day cover contained Sam's letter. The letter was written for Charlie. It was written by Sam, the psychiatrist friend of Charlie, to whom Charlie had told about the existence of the third level and of his desire to visit Galesburg of 1894, and following which Sam had disappeared too. After finding Sam's letter in the first day cover, Charlie discovers that Sam was in Galesburg of 1894. He had found the third level and travelled to Galesburg of 1894. And he asks Charlie and Louisa in the letter to keep looking for the third level because it exists. Now Charlie has got the proof that the third level exists because Sam, his friend, psychiatrist friend, is in Galesburg of 1894 and he keeps looking for the third level so that he too can go back to that 18th century of Galesburg of 18th century. So that was the short summary of the story, The Third Level. Now we shall look at the important points that we need to remember from this short story. The main characters of the story are Charlie, Sam, and Louisa. Sam was a psychiatrist doctor and friend. The story takes place in the Grand Central Station, New York, at present and in 1894, which means that when Charlie describes the first two levels of the Grand Central Station, it exists in the present time, while the third level existed in the 1894. Next, when Charlie writes the letter to Sam from Galesburg of 1894, Charlie was very young in 1894. So Sam sends the first day cover with a letter addressed to Charlie, which his grandfather, Charlie's grandfather, had kept in his stamp collection all these years. And now the grown up Charlie finds that letter from Sam. Next, the theme of the story is that people always want to run from reality which is unpleasant and unhappy. Just like Charlie, he wants to escape to his past. He is not happy in his present life. He finds a way to travel back in time. The third level of Grand Central Station. Charlie could not find the third level again, but he knows that it exists because Sam writes to him that it does. And so Charlie keeps on looking and searching for the third level, hoping to find that third level again and going back in time of 1894. That's it on this lecture. Hope to see you soon in the next video lecture. Till then, be safe, stay at home. Thank you.